How to open a Chase Bank saving account. First, you want to go ahead and download the Chase app. Once that is done, let's go ahead and open it. In the sign up page at the bottom, you can see open an account. Go ahead and click on that. You will now get the option to choose what kind of banking account you want to sign up for. You want to click on savings. That is now going to redirect you to this page. Since you are trying to open up a Chase banking account, go ahead and click on Open Now button. The first thing that it is going to ask you is, are you a Chase customer? That means if you already have a Chase account, or if you've ever used any of the bank's facilities, then go ahead and click on Yes. However, if you are a new user, go ahead and click on No. After that, you have to fill in a few details about yourself. After you're done with that, you have to check in the box. This is an authorization for your electric sign. Finally, you have to check that all your information is correct. Click on Next, and you would have signed up for your Chase saving bank account. First, you want to go. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.